than love. Yep, we're back with you folks. It said that a little child shall lead them. This 8-year-old is doing just that. Leanna Brown and her mom Renee are here to tell us about their period poverty project. Good morning to the both of you.
Good morning.
Hello, Miss Lily.
Good morning.
How are ya?
I am good.
It's so good to meet you. Thank you for coming. So can you tell me a little bit about your project? What is this project that you told Mommy you wanted to do?
Well, we were listening. My mommy picked me up from school, and then we were listening to the radio, and we heard about it. Then we said that we could go and contribute a little at first, and we did about 9 packs.
9 packs. So you heard them talking on the radio about period poverty.
Yes.
And you understand what that is?
Yes, I
Mommy
did.
explained it to you?
Yes, she did.
Yeah, and so you said you wanted to help.
Yes, I did.
Okay, so you decided you want to get 9 packs.
At first.
At first. And then what happened?
And then when we contributed those 9 packs, when we were finished contributing those 9 packs, I said to Mommy, I wish we could have helped more persons. And then Mommy said, would you like to contribute more? And I said yes.
And so then, Mommy, you did what?
And so that's how Mission 500 was born. We discussed it and we decided that we wanted to try to contribute at least 500 packs of feminine napkins for young ladies who could not afford feminine napkins.
You were listening to RJR that
We
day.
were
Was it
listening to
Delia
RJR.
who was on?
It wasn't, it was Uncle Johnny who was there.
Okay.
So Leah and Uncle Johnny had a good time,
Yeah.
discussing.
So this is a conversation that many mothers don't have with their children, especially not their 8-year-old children, right? So you heard what was going on the radio, but is that what broached the discussion between the two of you for her to understand what a period is?
Well,
before
that
you even get to
discussion-
period poverty, you have to understand what, right?
Well, that discussion started a long time ago.
Excellent.
What I tried to do, I have 2 girls, Leanna being the eldest, and we tried to have discussions, those kind of things we don't hide from. So we speak
Sensitize them
about things
early.
like period, we speak about abuse and what abuse looks like, because I believe if they're armed with the information, then it makes them better able to deal with the
Navigate, of
issues
course.
as they come.
Of course. So